Hi kids, it's Teacher Patty with my special assistant,
Theia.
and we're going to show you how to make a fun pirate telescope. Now, usually the best way to do it, or the easiest way to do it, is to use a paper towel tube. But we didn't have any paper towel tubes at our house, so I thought it would be fun to show you another way to do it. You could always take 2 toilet paper tubes and kind of tape them together. That would work as well. But using construction paper allows you to kind of zhuzh it up even more. So pirates used telescopes. They also called them spyglasses or monoculars, so that when they were out on the ocean, they could spy and see if there were any other ships or things kind of approaching them. Now, first step is get some construction paper. Now, Thea, what color would you like your spyglass to be?
Blue.
Blue.
Light blue.
Light blue. So first thing, I think it would be fun if you drew on it with some markers or crayons. You could use colored pencils, whatever you have. And then we also have some fun stickers. So you could really decorate it. So after you're done drawing or painting or however you decide to decorate it, you're going to roll your paper into a tube. Now Thea chose to kind of do a narrow drawing in her name. So I'm going to make sure that when I roll it, I try to get her name and her decoration right on the outside. You could also roll it first and then decorate it after, either way. Now, there's a lot of different ways that you could attach this. You could staple it, or you could use tape. You could even use some glue. Theo decided that she wanted this tape. So, I'm gonna have you, Thea, have it. Will you take your hands and hold the end? Yeah, just like that to keep it together. This is a good thing to do with a partner. And you could do tape all down. I think I'm gonna do a long piece of tape all the way down because this is almost like its own decoration. You could also just do 2 simple pieces of tape. So here we go. We'll start at the end. Perfect. Awesome, and then you can let it go now, Thea. And I'm just gonna put it on the table. Make it all on the seam. And I'm actually just gonna tear it. See?
Fold it inside.
Exactly. Just like that. And now you might want to reinforce it a little bit. You can also keep decorating it. Thea was thinking maybe she could add on some jewels, but for right now, I think our pirate spyglass is ready to look for some pirate ships and mermaids. What do you think, Thea? Very nice. All right, friends, I can't wait to see your pirate spyglass-telescope. Till later.